Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate your tax return. First, gather all your essential financial documents, including W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and bank statements. Next, determine your correct filing status, which could be single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Finally, calculate your total gross income from all sources for the entire year. This initial step is crucial for an accurate return. Once your gross income is established, identify all eligible deductions. These reduce your taxable income, for example, student loan interest or contributions to a traditional IRA. Next, claim any applicable tax credits, which directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. A credit of $100 saves you $100 in tax. Understanding these can significantly lower your tax bill. Now, subtract your total deductions from your gross income to arrive at your adjusted gross income, or AGI. Then, decide whether to take the standard deduction or itemize your deductions. Choose the one that results in a lower taxable income. Finally, use the correct tax brackets for your filing status to calculate your total tax liability before any credits. This is a key step. To finalize, subtract any tax credits from your total tax liability. This gives you the actual amount of tax you owe. Compare this figure with the amount of tax already withheld from your paychecks or paid through estimated taxes. If you paid more, you'll receive a refund. If less, you'll owe the difference. Finally, submit your completed return electronically or by mail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.